Hello everyone, I have created this dashboard using Power BI. It is based on the retail store data. So firstly I have created a map visualization, and here you can see, one second, if you click on any estates, so you can see the profit according to that estate. So you can see the California is generating high profit, and then you can check all the estates using your mouse. And the second is profit by estate. It's also similar than this map diagram, but I used a clustered bar chart for that analysis, and you can check that here the California is generating more profit, and this is the ascending order, and you can check this few states are generating negative revenue, and they are in loss. So we can focus on this estate to make more profit in future. And the third is I have created a sales and profit by subcategory. So you can check, you can see that phone, they have a highest sales, and according to profit also, and in some subcategory you can see the tables and pack space, and they are generating negative profit. So we need to focus on this subcategory. And third I have created sales and profit by using category. I used a pie chart for this analysis. So you can see that technology have a 36.5% of total sales, profit is 50.79, and office suppliers have a 31.3% of contribution, and profit is 42.7%. And in furniture, sales is more than in furniture you can see that the lowest profit, only 6.4% profit they contributing. So that's it's based on sample detail analysis. Okay, thank you.